Alright guys, I apologize, I'm going to have to make this a two-part video because my camera cut out. So, picking up where we left off, I was about to compare the flatheads. I actually prefer the older one because you've got 4 different size flatheads compared to 3 on the new one. You've got, although I like that it has these 3 bigger ones. You got this one, and then the one I already showed you on the other side. But I do like the difference in this one. The newer one has a more precise flathead because I've actually had to use it for my glasses. This one isn't as precise, but it's not a huge deal because I always have an eyeglass kit with me anyways. You can see that this is your big flathead, which your larger one is on the other side. If I get out the medium flathead, crap, sorry, there's a shadow. Get out of the way. Same size still. But it's got this middle ground one. Or not middle ground, but like middle of the way one. Which I like more. But that's the differences on the flatheads. The biggest difference on this side is the scissors. If I can get them out. One thing overall about the older version is you try and pull out the scissors, you pull out all the other tools. And that's kind of something that the older one has a problem with, is that the tools are a bit looser. But I love these scissors more than these ones. I mean, look at that. That is a huge size difference. These ones are little and dinky compared to these. I like these a lot more. They're both still the spring action scissors. Say these ones are a bit stronger, but they probably just haven't been used as much as these ones have. So this one's kind of straighter on the bottom, and this one, these are both kind of curved, and this one, only the top one's kind of curved. Another thing is that sorry with the shadows, the part where you push down is wider as well. Yeah, it's wider. This one's just longer. But yeah. So guys, I hope you liked that comparison video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a great day.